5 Best Blender Under $100. Pro 1200 Blender. From Oster. Oster Pro 1200 is a very solid upgrade with a powerful 1200 watt motor, 900 watts when you crush ice. Oster Pro 1200 comes with both a large 6-cup capacity blending pitcher and a separate 24 ounces smoothie cup. This blender comes with smart settings technology and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations. Dual direction blade technology for extra blending power. It has pulse feature for added control and precision. Oster 10-year Duralast all-metal drive limited warranty for lasting durability. BL610 Professional Blender. From Ninja. This blender powered with 1000 watt base machine which is fitted with 3 speeds with a pulse and a single serve function. All these allow you to operate the machine straightforwardly to attain consistent smoothing. It has 8 razor sharp blades attached on body which form like a cyclone in the middle of the blender jar. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. Crush ice and frozen fruit in seconds. The 72 ounces professional blender jar is perfect for family. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies. Four-in-one Immersion Hand Blender. From OXO Smart. This powerful hand blender comes with 12 speeds, turbo function, quickly blends endless culinary delicious. This sleek immersion blender features an ergonomic handle with simple one-touch operation, simply press and blend. This blender builds with 304 stainless steel blade. The blade is sharp, it can make the delicious food in the shortest time. It has BPA free, includes 600 ml beaker, 500 ml food processor, whisk attachment, plus splash guard to prevent food splatter. This hand blender comes with 2-year warranty. BL660 Professional Countertop Blender. From Ninja. The Ninja Professional Blender is a proficient, high-powered cooking appliance with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. Apart from literally turning ice into snow in a matter of seconds, it works like a beast, crushing anything you throw at it with ease. Talking about conveniences, its 72 ounces pitcher is large enough to make drinks and smoothies for the entire family, while the 16 ounces cups with to-go lids make it easy to take tasty, hearty smoothies on the go. This blender is powerful and assembled with single-serve blade. And since they are terribly sharp, instead of hand washing them or risking the damage in the dishwasher, it'd be better if we put hot, soapy water for cleansing. Includes one 1100 watt base, 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, and 2 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids. NBR1201 High-Speed Blender Mixer System. From NutriBullet. The NutriBullet NBR1201 12-piece high-speed blender lives up to its name with its powerful 600-watt motor and 3 patented, stainless steel blades that deliver perfect blending results every time. This blender itself does a great job of pureeing tough, hard foods, such as carrots, spinach, and others, even when they're frozen. It can also be used to puree the tough ends of asparagus for delicious soups. To use the machine, simply place your prepared fruit or veggies into the container, add the appropriate level of ice or water, and then cover it by a lid that comes with the sharp blades inside. Of course, there are a few complaints. It's quite loud, sometimes it does require a few shakes or removing the cup to blend the entire contents more evenly. It does not pulverize seeds really well, in spite of claiming so in advertisements.